Feel ko talagang talagyan ng crackers yung tapioca. It is currently 9:36 p.m. and nandito lang ako ngayon sa terrace namin. And yeah, I'm just watching a vlog. So right now, besties, I'm gonna shower na. And after ko mag-shower, pupunta na din kami sa Agrivet. Gigisingin ko muna yung kapatid ko. Ayan, tulog pa ang bata. Tulog pa siya, guys. Bugtaw na. Bugtaw na gali. Gising na pala siya, guys. Akala ko tulog pa. Anyways, time to shower. Charger ko, besties, sa bahay. Kaya kailangan kong kunin. Namiss ko talaga itong McDo, besties. Natagal ko na hindi nakakain ng McDo.
What the dog doing?
It's currently 6:41 p.m. And we're here lang. Tumatambay lang kami dito sa bahay nila. Time to wash the plates. Before ako magbukas ng pinggan, inom na ako ng tubig, besties. Let's hydrate kasi napakainit. Napakainit ng tubig. Currently 5:32 p.m. I changed my outfit dahil mag-workout po ako. Let's be freaking hot this summer. Besties, good morning. It is currently 10:35 a.m. After ko kanina mag-devotion and mag-journal, I immediately watched Hotel 88 because ang ganda na ng episode. And right now, I'm just gonna clean lang dito sa bahay. And then after this, maybe I'm gonna buy some snacks dahil gutom na naman po ako. Pag ano na, 1869. Okay. Pang bata. Hi besties! We are back here sa house. And now, I will just show you besties kung ano yung mga binili ko kanina. Most of my purchase is galing talaga sa Mr. DIY besties. So, here it is. So, first, bumili lang ako netong coloring book. I've been loving coloring books talaga this past few days. And yes, bumili na po ako. And ngayong summer, gusto ko talaga mag-explore ng mga bagong hobbies. And yes, coloring is one of them. And bumili na din ako netong color pencils. I also brought this nail cutter, and ito naman is for the underarm. I also brought this curler, and I also brought some dips sa DIY para sa debut. Bumili lang ako neto, besties. And also this mirror, ball pens, and then this hair ties. Bumili lang din ako, besties, sa Ukay-Ukay. It's the next day, besties. Nag-color-color lang ako sa aking new coloring book, and then I had lunch. And then I decided to watch a rom-com movie. But sadly, mahina yung signal today. Kaya ayun, natulog na lang muna ako. Pero saglit lang naman. And around 3 p.m. besties, nag-snacks lang ako. And around 5:30 p.m. naman, bumili lang ako ng Cebo de Macho. And after buying, time for dinner. And as usual, I end my night by journaling and devotion.
Today, and please remember that I'm always here rooting for you, and always willing to listen to whatever ng mga rants mo, pati na sa mga crushes mo. And amo lang na palangga ta ka.
Sana all palangga.
Mag-cheers sa tonight. It'll bring abundance and prosperity within the life of Princess Eliza. 1, 2, 3, cheers!
Go na! Para siyang ice cream.